dimensional 1D, 2D, 2D and 3D. What is the difference between for 1D, 2D and 3D figures or objects? You can say, for example, I have drawn one line segment, or you can say line. Line or line segment is having only one dimension, that is only length, so it is called one dimensional. Two dimensional means it is having two dimensions. Say for example, I am drawing a figure of square. Square is having four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is having length as well as it is having breadth. Both are of equal measurement. Okay, so this is called two-dimensional figure in which x-axis and y-axis both are involved. So it is called, it has two dimensions, that's why it is called two-dimensional figure. Now out of two-dimensional figure we are making three-dimensional figure in which x, y and z, all three axes are involved. Say this is a, you are drawing a square, another square you draw like this. Okay, and join all this 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3 and 4 lines. So out of square it has become cube. Cube is nothing but a three-dimensional figure of 2D. 2D is converted into 3D by adding the height. Okay, this is a length, this is breadth and this is height. When height is added to the base area, it becomes a 3D object. First draw the 2D object at the base. 2D object only occupies the area. 2D object is having only area. It doesn't have any volume. Say for example, you are putting carpet on the floor. So carpet occupies certain space on the floor. It is like a this is a square figure. So the area of square is L square. L into L. L square is the area of this figure. This much area it will occupy on the floor. So carpet is having only area. It doesn't have a depth, so it doesn't have a volume. Now when you are putting the square on the floor and you are adding height to it, means third dimension is also there, then it will become 3D figure, which is having area as well as the volume. Okay, what is the area? Area is all what is how much area it requires. Base area is the area of the square only, and volume is what? Base area into height is called volume. So 3D figure is having volume. You can put something inside it. Okay, like grain. If you want to fill the grain in this type of cube, then you can fill it. So it is a three-dimensional object. In 2D you cannot fill anything because it doesn't have a depth. Okay, it is like a carpet. For example, carpet is an example of 2D, and only single dimension is a string. Your say example is a string. The string is having only length, so one dimension. So these are the difference between one dimension, two dimension, three dimension.